Hello everyone, today I will cook and try 3 different shawarmas with varying degrees of spiciness. First, using one relatively mild chili pepper. I'll cook the second shawarma with 2 hotter peppers, and the third shawarma will be using 3 of the hottest peppers in the world. Let's start with chili. In the first shawarma, I want to use the tomato sauce spicier with this pepper. To do this, cut it. We need to achieve a small fraction. And we dump this into the tomato sauce. Now just mix it up. And that's it. You can put your shawarma together. First of all, we'll spread out some white cabbage. Next, some tomato slices. Fresh cucumber. White garlic sauce. Some fried chicken. And red onions. Well, and finally, our hot tomato sauce. That's it. Now we roll up the shawarma. And we put it on the grill to seal the edge of the pita bread and to make it crispy. That's it. The first shawarma using 1 chili pepper is ready. Let's test it. Yeah, there is a slight burning sensation here. I'm gonna give it 1 pepper out of 5. Let's move on to our second shawarma. Here we will marinate the chicken with pepper. But first, to do this, we spread out the chicken meat into a thinner layer. Done. Transfer into a bowl. This pepper is called Crazy Boy Pink Cream. At first glance, it is red, but the side that grew in the sun is dark purple in color. There are a million pungencies in it. We'll make a couple of incisions. Inside it is white, and I immediately noticed its unusual aroma, very similar to the aroma of melon. We continue to grind up the pepper. Done. Let's add it to the chicken. And also we'll add some spicy sweet marinade for the chicken. And mix it up. Now we let it marinate. And you can put it into the frying pan. After 3 minutes, we turn the chicken over to the other side. And fry for another 3 minutes. That's it, the super spicy chicken is fried, and we can put it onto a cutting board. We will cut it up with spatulas just like they do with real shawarma. That's it, we're left with an ideal prep for shawarma. Let's move on to the second pepper. We cut off its tail and chop it with a garlic chopper. As in the first shawarma, add some pepper to the tomato sauce. And now just mix it up. All of our spicy ingredients for shawarma are prepared. Now we can put it together. This time we'll use a tortilla. We spread out some cabbage, tomatoes, fresh cucumbers, garlic sauce, lots of spicy meat, and our super spicy tomato sauce. And finally, the onion. You can roll up the tortilla. And we'll put our shawarma on an electric grill. Let it roast. Done. Our shawarma with 2 medium hot peppers is finally completely ready. Let's evaluate the taste. The spiciness hits your brain so hard that it's almost on the verge of being intolerable. There are definitely at least 3 peppers out of 5. I'm gonna save myself with some milk. The spiciness here is much higher than average. Let's move on to the final, most spicy shawarma. This is the Carolina Reaper pepper. It is listed in the Guinness Book of World Records as the hottest pepper on Earth. Let's dice it up first with a garlic chopper. First, I thought it was my imagination, but this pepper really has a bunch of pungency. Add the pepper first to the marinade for the chicken. And also some hopsonelli, curry seasoning, salt, kaffir, and paprika. That's it, you can mix the chicken with the marinade. Warning, never touch this pepper with your bare hands like me. After that, my hands were baked for like 2 days. That's it, we leave it to marinate for 3 hours. The chicken is ready. Piece by piece, put it onto a mini skewer. Done. From above, we press all this down with a special attachment. And we fix it into place. We insert a motor from below and go outside. This time we will cook chicken on coals. Therefore, open up the grill and ignite the coal with some dry fuel. That's it, the coal is already ignited. And you can pour it out into the grill. We install the spit on top and turn it on. Here the juice will drip next to the coals, immediately evaporate, and make that chicken smell with the aroma of smoke. We left the chicken on the spit to cook for a full 20 minutes. When a beautiful crust appears, you can remove the skewer from the grill. Finally, we cut off the ready pieces of chicken. And we dice it up additionally. Now we've got our second pepper. We take off the tail, and for the last 2 shawarmas, chop it for the sauce. Also, onions are needed for the sauce. Just cut it in half, and then quarter it. We will also crush these pieces of onion. And we dump all of this into a saucepan with hot oil. And fry it for literally 30 seconds. Then we add the grated tomatoes. Add some salt. Boil for a couple of minutes until the hot sauce is ready. Let's pour it into a bowl. Now we have our last pepper. Divide it into 2 parts. And chop the first half with a knife. We use it to make spicy pita bread. I don't really know what happened for this last nuclear pepper, but specifically it makes your eyes bake worse than onions. All the resulting fine texture is dumped into a bowl. Here, a little bit of oil, flour, salt, and let's put a little bit of boiling water in with the red so that the pita bread turns out to be spicy, even in appearance, and then pour it into a bowl. Now you just need to knead the dough. While it's hot, we do this with a spoon. And a little bit later with my hands. So here our dough turned out to be interspersed with the spiciest pepper in the world. So we spread it out with our hands. Then we roll it out with a rolling pin. You should be left with a very thin circle. Now we transfer this to a hot frying pan. It puffs up almost immediately. It's time to turn it over to the other side. After another 10 seconds, it's done. Put it on a plate and cover it with foil so that it makes the pita bread more elastic. After 3 minutes, everything is ready. It really did become more malleable. Now we just have to chop the last half of the pepper. We will mix this spice into a vegetable salad. Therefore, we cut up some cabbage, chop some cucumbers, red onion, a little bit of salt, and mix it up all really well with our hands so that the pepper with its infernal spiciness permeates all the vegetables. It's done. So now all we have to do is chop up the tomatoes and collect our shawarma. The first is a mega spicy salad. Next is the infernal spicy sauce. Then the chicken marinated in pepper. Our garlic sauce here is probably the only non-spicy thing in this shawarma. And the tomatoes. That's it, you can roll it up. And we send it to the grill. 3 minutes later, we take it out. Our final shawarma, with the addition of 3 of the hottest peppers in the world, is ready. Let's try it. Some very strange spiciness, increasing not abruptly but gradually. But after a minute, it gets really hot, and I just want to cry, and my lips are burning so bad, probably because of the spicy pita bread. I'm gonna save myself with ice cream. That helps way better than milk. This is 5 peppers out of 5. It is unrealistically spicy. It also doesn't let go for 20 minutes. Behind the scenes, I ate 2 more of these ice creams. And if this video gets more than 100,000 likes, then I will make a spicy, spicier, and spiciest sushi rolls in the world. Bye, everybody!